It's a certified 2018 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. High style, high performance, Mercedes-Benz. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: auto-dimming rear-view mirror, Apple CarPlay Android Auto, front heated leather sports seats, integrated navigation system with voice activation, automatic transmission, dual zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, external memory control, power convertible roof, gas pressurized shocks, and twin-turbo V6 engine. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,